Manolo Blahnik. The Hangisi Pump has been a wardrobe staple in every fashionista's closet ever since that gorgeous satin blue pair graced Carrie Bradshaw's feet in Sex and the City. I am happy to announce that I'm coming at you today with a double Hangisi Pump unboxing. So let's get started. So I'm going to start first with this more unique limited edition piece. This is from the A Decade of Love collection, and I have really been lusting after a pair of the ever popular Hangisi Pumps for a long time. I really wanted to add a pair to my collection, and there was a recent sale at Saks, so I ended up adding a second pair, and I wanted to go ahead and just put both of them in the video here. So this first one is the pair that I got on sale. So in this, there's a little care booklet, the dust bag, and then the special limited edition pair that I got are gorgeous pink pair, and there's kind of like a dark shiny ruthenium crystal embellishment here. So this is what they look like. Let me get this other one out. Aren't they so cute? This is a little bit more out there kind of pattern. I thought the coloring was absolutely gorgeous, and because I was able to get it on sale, it was a steal of a deal. These would look so cute with like a fancy black top and jeans for like going out, or even like a solid colored fun skirt during the day. Even though these are very specific and patterned, I could really wear these with a lot of different outfits. So that's why I figured I would go ahead and pull the trigger. They are a slightly shorter heel, so that way I can wear them for a lot longer, and the Hangisi Pump is known for being super comfortable even in the toe box. They are the satin material, just like their more traditional, super popular counterparts with the solid colors. So nothing has really changed here, and they are still handmade. It's just the pattern is more limited edition. So those ones are, I'm in love with these. I love the color. It's such a unique color, but it can go with pretty much anything. So let me show you the next pair I got. So this other pair I purchased for myself as a birthday present because they don't really ever go on sale, at least in the solid colors they don't. So it was kind of a little bit of a splurge, but let me show you which ones. We have the care booklet again, dust bag, and for these ones, I got the traditional black satin, and I just love these. These are some of the most beautifully made shoes I have ever seen. They're nice and comfortable with a slightly lower heel. I didn't want to go with the 105 millimeter because I thought that would be a little bit too tall, especially since these are kind of like an evening heel. That way I would be able to wear these to like an event or a wedding or something and stay in them all night long. They are the black satin material, so they can hide dirt a little bit better. I have been kind of looking at the nudie color with, I think, a gold crystal embellishment, but those ones I'm just a little bit nervous that they might show wear and stain rather quickly. So that's why I wanted to play it safe for my first pair, see how I liked them, and I ended up getting the other pair after these. But I love these so much. They do have the suede bottoms and handmade, handcrafted, everything like that. And I did go true to size with these, so I got a 38.5. I tried these on and they fit perfectly. What's interesting to note with the Manolo Blahniks is on the bottom there is a series of dots, and I think that helps depict which manufacturing or which person made it. I know that there's a slight variation. So for example, the bottom of this one just has one dot, and this one has 5 dots. I know that kind of is indicative of sizing, so if you try one on and it doesn't work, try another one on with a different number of dots, and that might fit you a little bit better. So I just wanted to come on here and share with you my amazing new pumps that I am so excited to wear. But if you like videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you're notified every time I make a new one. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.